Okay, one of the problems that we have with a lot of these restoration jobs, people get them done at shops, and then 6 months, 8 months, maybe a year and a half later, they start to get some bubbling on their paint. And we put so much time and effort into these, we really don't want to have that kind of problem pop up later on. So we're going to investigate a bubble on here that came up, and this thing was not done here. This was done somewhere else. So we're just going to investigate and see what we can do about this one bubble. I don't know if you can see it in this video or not. We're going to try to run over it so you can see it. Right there in the roof. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just pick this thing up and see if you can see how it's pushes down. It's really soft. And as expected, you can see the bodywork right there. Now there could be several causes of this. A lot of times it's usually rust from the very bottom. Sometimes it could be in the body filler. It's not mixed right, or had an air pocket, or it could be a number of things. Moisture got in there. So once we dig it apart, which is really soft, wow. I'm just keep digging down. I'll see how deep this goes. Now you can see how you dug down to the metal, and that metal is looking very rusty. It's got surface rust all over it. So unfortunately, there's going to be a lot more of these popping up. It's just a matter of time. That body filler is so thick on here that it's taken a while to get that far up through, but that's exactly what's happening here. Okay, the more that I pick around this hole, not only do I see the rust, but I start picking at it, and if you can see, we got a layer of metal that's right up on top of this one, like it overlaps. I don't know if you can see that or not. Right there. So whatever these two pieces of metal are together, maybe they tried to splice something in and did not weld it correctly. So that's probably another source of failure right there. That those two places are given away. Okay, I ground this thing out a little more, and as you can see, we have this two pieces of metal where they were welded together, and there's a hole where they didn't weld it. And that hole right there is allowing moisture in there and rust, and that's what's creating our problem.